Everybody, today is the day 13 building in Notion. Yesterday I had a day off, just wanted to rest a little bit, enjoy the weekend and come back fresh and with new ideas. So recently I was working on tasks database. Basically I want to have 3-layer connection, tasks connected to key results of the months and the dashboard that shows overall results connecting all the goals together to see like my overall progress. So it's basically a 3-layer relation. And the hard part is I want to connect task to each particular goal. And then, so for example, if I completed the task today, I want to see immediate result in my monthly overview database. I don't like to have, those check marks. For example, if I did two hours of deep work, I want to put it in 2 hours. I don't want to put in checkbox that I did 2 hours, because sometimes it's 3 hours, 2.5, I want to input it manually, and it's a hard part. So I had to come up with some different solution than checkbox. So I'll be working on that and try to make it look nice and clean. Tomorrow give you updates and see what I have accomplished in this section. All right, see you soon.